this next video, this video I'm doing right now, I've been dying to make a video of this since I picked this up. It has been killing me, and I haven't opened it yet. It's been killing me. It is probably, I mean, if you don't laugh when you see this, like if you don't laugh the fact that I've been dying to do this video because of this, I mean, it's not even funny. It's kind of like a dad joke. But I picked up this thing, KNIPEX. It says KNIPEX COBRA XS extra small water pump pliers, new. Okay. I've been dying to rip this out of the package, and I know what's going to happen if I bring it home. There's a little 2-year-old who's going to steal this thing, and I'm never going to see it again, for at least a month anyway, until we find it in the toy box. This, I opened the package just so I can see it, and this has got to be the coolest thing ever. If you haven't, like, I see people online with these, and like, oh, that's really cool. But when you have one in your hand, you're just like, oh my god, this is cool. This is the coolest thing. I even made a short video. I will unbox it in front of you. Let me put the thing out. This is just too cool. I mean, if you don't like tiny tools, there's something wrong with you. I mean, maybe not. You just don't like tiny tools. This is the coolest thing. It is KNIPEX. Comes in a bag. Comes in a little KNIPEX thing. And I'm so psyched to open this. I am like, I've been dying to do this. Like, this is stupid. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Look at how tiny these are. They're a little tiny little, like, they're so damn cool. Like, look at this. It is so cute looking. Like, see, I like baby vice grips. Like, I just want to collect KNIPEX tools now. They are so freaking, like, look at this. They're functional. They're tiny little functional, awesome. Like, I don't think if you're watching my videos, do I even own any KNIPEX tools? I don't know. But if these aren't the coolest little miniature, they look like birds. Little birds like, feed me. It's like, tweet, give me a worm. Anyway, enough of that. KNIPEX. What does it say on the side? 87100 KNIPEX. That is the cool, like, they actually work. They do stuff. They're cool. I just, they're awesome. I don't know what to say. I don't know how the hell they're put together. Like, that's probably just pressed in there. But this is the neatest thing ever. I thought, like, look how tiny they are. I mean, I don't have giant hands, but they're mucho tiny. They're, what is it, 3 inches? I think they're 3-inch pliers. 4-inch. Are they really 4-inch? Do I have to suit them? Tell them I only got like 1.25 inches out of this thing. Let's see. 4-inch pliers. Well, I'll be damned. They're exactly 4 inches. Hallelujah. Not like Subway. 6-inch subs, you get like 5.5-inch sub. Come in a nice little KNIPEX bag. Come with a little KNIPEX box. That is, 3 minutes of just gawking at this thing is just awesome. I'm probably gonna carry this around in my pocket for like a month. And they're expensive. They're not cheap. No word of a lie. These things, I don't think they're worth the price of them is ridiculous. Go online, buy one, you'll see the price is ridiculous. I'm not going to repeat the price, but they're cool. They're just cool. Like, maybe they should I should drill a hole and make a keychain, but that would be stupid because the keychain would be like this. Like, they should make a little hook thing on there, make them a keychain or something. They're just cool. I think they're really cool. Functional. They have really nice little, like, made in Germany grips. Like, it says Cobra on it. It's a nice little knurling kind of in here. It says made in Germany. German. Like, this is, besides the cool factor, this thing has quality written all over it. Like, their quality control on this thing is just insane. Like, yeah, there's, cheap, Crescent Porter cutters here. Meh. I mean, there's Olfa knives and other crap. But this is just hot damn. Made very well. So yeah. Anyway, folks, Just thought I'd share that little thing with you. I mean, like, this is fun. I'm gonna buy another one so I can have two of them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell all your bros and hoes and aunts and uncles and cousins and whatever about my channel, because I'm so interesting. Everybody wants to watch. Yeah, right. If you like my channel, like my channel. Click some buttons, like, subscribe, watch some more of my videos. I need watch time. Thanks for watching. Toodles.